Okay, next in class we do the combination, and since the combination is already set to music with multiple groups, what I'm going to do here is just go ahead and break down the basic counts for each section. Yeah? Okay, so I'm going to play the music in the background, but it won't be where your group necessarily lines up, but that way you can hear the beat. This is the beginning part. It repeats 4 times overlapping. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Push, 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 push. Hip rolls. Whole 8 counts. Then you're going to say top of the hand. Top of the hand. Top of the hand. Bounce back. To the back. Okay, let me break that down for you. Yeah? So we're going to start in second position. This is my right side over here. I'm going to step to the left, but my right arm comes over. And I'm doing a big body roll. 1, 2, into a jazz line. Excuse me. So in a jazz line, 70% of my weight is over here. My hip is swung out, and I've turned my rib cage in that same direction. Be careful that this leg doesn't droop in. It should be nice and long. There's no broken ankle, no sickle foot, no winged foot, yeah? One beautiful long line. One handsome or sexy long line, depending on how you play it. 1, 2, switch sides, same position, other side, 3, 4. Shift the hips again. This one from the side. I'm placing my hands flat, and I'm popping my chest, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 5, 6, and 7, 8. And I'm going to turn to the front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to turn to the front. I'm stepping across. I'm lifting and lowering this, my left hip. And I'm spreading my hands almost like I'm polishing a crystal ball. 1, 2. As I do, my knee closes. My left bun comes up. It rotates back, and my knee opens for both legs to plie. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you can't see it just now, but you want to make sure that your front foot is popped into forced arch. My back foot is all the way on the floor. 7, 8. We just finished that. Now it's top of the hand. I'm just going to step across, which we did in the beginning of the class. 1 and 2. And as I do it, I'm spinning on the forward heel. 3 and 4. Yeah, so it's a smoosh, like you're smooshing a bug. Since nobody smokes anymore, good for you. Yay! Okay, so let's rewind just a little bit. We've gone 5, 6, 7, 8. We'll go 1 and 2, 3 and 4, and you'll notice I'm moving my hips. And then we're going to turn to the side of the room. This is the right side for me. And I'm pressing my arms straight and down. They don't have to be interlaced, but they can be. And it's a very bouncy head throw. So if you've got hair, toss that hair, sexy stuff. So we go right, left, right, left. If you have space, this should travel. So when we do it with a partner, you pass your partner, and then you move backwards with the same pattern. Right, left, also traveling. So I think I should try and shoot for about 5 feet each way. So let's rewind that to the top of that whole section. Here we go. Let's use some music. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. Armpit, chest, 2, 6, step across. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Bounce 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Get here. So from here, I'm bringing my flexed fist up. And I'm pretty even on both feet. I'm in this position, but sideways, yeah? And I'm going to pop, pop, pop my chest and my shoulders. So I'm going, chee, chee, chee. It's almost like a little feeling of sort of how a cartoon looks when it gets electric shocked. Yeah? Then I'm gonna bring this left hand across along with my foot to pop up into a pencil turn and land down on the diagonal. Crossed fists, nice flexed arms, abs in. So just that part goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, turn 7, land 8. From here, you're gonna rebound. So even though this is a really heavy 8, know that you're coming up to free this right leg to step 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a big sideways walk in the studio space if you have it. And you're going to end up in a jazz line on the left. So from here, we'll go 5 and 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you have two choices here. If you want to go more classic jazz femme style, then you can really work through that hip and even massage and highlight that hip with your hands. And notice I'm working through 4 starts with that one. If you would like to go a little more masculine or modern style, you can alternate turning this knee in and out and rolling through mostly this shoulder, but a little bit of your chest rolls as well. So that one looks more like this. So there's a little bit of a torso roll. It's not so much about the hips, it's more about the thigh and the shoulder. Yeah? You know that you're going to step through so that you can step 1, kick 2. I'm kicking my couch right now, please excuse me. Lay out 3, land 4. Let's try that with a little more space. Yeah? 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pick your body, roll 7, step on it 8. Step 1, kick 2, lay out 3, land 4. Just to be clear about what that last part should be. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes? So I land with a lot of my weight in this right leg. This one's the extended one. I'm out here. The arms swing down to go 5 and 3, 4, 5, and 6. Hold 7 and 8 and to step 1 with your right leg. So that's a little bit quick altogether. Let's go from here. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step 1, kick 2, 3, land 4, 5 and 6. Hold 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4. We're in preparation for an outside pirouette. In parallel, you notice when I'm in parallel, that back leg is popped. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you're going to turn as many times as you can in that time. Carpet forgiving. And then we step, and do another turn, which is completely impossible on a carpet on with the exit on 1. So let's go back a little bit. Let's go from 3, 4. Let's go from 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 and 6 and 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2. That was correct. So do wait until turn, step, 1, 2 for your fun trick, which is basically like a turning stab would be nice. Okay. So after your turning stag, your group departs. So let's just run that part and we'll know that when we put it together in a group, you can see it with the other video with the other students. Okay, just that section from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so that's section 1. Review as needed. You can always come back to this moment. Good time to check in and take your pulse. Let's do that real quick. Boop. Everybody ready? And start. and stop. I counted in eighths because I've been counting. All right, do a little check-in. Let's start in on part 2. We're gonna do that across the floor part, which you know, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then there's not enough room here for me to have demonstrated it earlier. But after that, you go step, chaîné, step, chaîné, step, piqué. And then to get the rest of the way off the floor, you get to do a little tiny feet shimmy off. And you get to scallop a little bit in space. So you can hear me saying scallop on here. Now, this is hard to do because it's meant to cross the entire stage. So let's just mark it a couple of times just so that we get a sense of the footwork. 5, 6, 7, back. 1, 2, 3. Turning all around yourself. Step chaîné, step chaîné, step piqué, and land skirt. Left side, here we go. Step 2, 3, 4. Turning up around yourself. Step chaîné, step piqué, and skirt. Then we get off stage.